Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify Cash App card for Samsung Pay. So let's get started. So if you open the latest version of Samsung Wallet and have your profile properly set up, you will notice an option to add a payment card. So you can either scan your card which will automatically fill in the details or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. However, many users have reported that even after correctly entering the details. And also, even if their card is verified and has sufficient balance and works on other digital wallets, Samsung Wallet still does not accept it. Additionally, if you try to add the Cash App card directly from the Cash App interface by tapping on the three dots menu on your card, you won't see an option to add it to your Samsung Wallet. So this is different from digital wallets like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, where the Cash App card can be easily added without any issues. But the reality is that Samsung Wallet seems to restrict cards from financial services that they don't recognize as traditional banks. And unfortunately, Cash App falls into that category because of this limitation, the card is not eligible to be directly added to the Samsung Wallet. While there are not any reliable workarounds at the moment, still there is one potential solution that you might consider is that linking your Cash App card to a third party service like PayPal. So once your Cash App is added to PayPal, you could then use the PayPal as the payment option within the Samsung wallet. However, since this process involves additional third party integration, it's not something I can demonstrate fully in this video. So if your goal is to add your Cash App card directly to Samsung Wallet, the short answer is that it remains impossible as of now, unless Samsung releases an update allowing the acceptance of Cash App cards in the future. So this limitation will continue to exist. Samsung Wallet currently does not support it due to its stricter policies regarding financial service providers. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!